Welcome to this instructional video on the crucial aspects of pressure-containing repair weldments according to API 16C. Today, we'll guide you through the essential procedures and standards, ensuring you maintain safety and compliance in your operations. API 6C outlines the necessary steps for repair welding on critical components such as bodies, bonnets, drilling risers, and connectors. Understanding these procedures is vital for anyone involved in maintenance and safety compliance within the oil and gas industry. Let's begin by exploring the Welding Procedure Specification, or WPS. This defines the framework for how welding should be conducted. It's imperative that all repair welding aligns with the specified WPS to ensure structural integrity and safety. Next, we'll discuss non-destructive examination, or NDE. This is a critical step in evaluating weld quality without damaging the equipment. Techniques such as ultrasonic testing or radiography can be employed to ensure the welds meet the necessary standards. Access is another key consideration. Adequate access must be provided to evaluate, remove, repair, and inspect any non-conforming conditions. If access is insufficient, the component must be rejected to prevent potential hazards. When dealing with choke and kill equipment, special attention must be paid to ensure all repair weldments are thoroughly evaluated and conform to API 16C standards. This helps in maintaining the safety and functionality of the equipment under high-pressure conditions. As we summarize, remember that adherence to API 6C is not just about compliance. It's about ensuring the safety of your team and the efficiency of your operations. Always follow the WPS and utilize NDE methods to confirm the quality of your repairs. Thank you for watching. By following these guidelines, you'll help foster a safer and more compliant working environment. For more detailed information, please refer to the API 6C documentation and stay connected with us.